All right, Trekkers, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive into the AI universe.
Definitely. And this time, we're going where the money is. AI and sales.
That's right. We found this post that caught our attention, and we thought it was worth exploring together.
Yeah, lots of interesting stuff in here, especially from Kobi Elbaz at HP, someone who really knows the field.
So before we get too deep into it, what's the big takeaway? What stuck out to you the most?
I think the main point is that just having AI isn't enough. It's like you can't just sprinkle some AI magic and watch your sales skyrocket. You got to have a plan.
Right, strategy over just tools.
Yeah.
That makes sense. The post talks a lot about targeting specific outcomes. How do you see that playing out in the real world?
Well, think about it. What are the biggest headaches for sales teams? Data entry, lead qualification, maybe even scheduling those follow-ups. What if AI could take those off their plates?
So they can focus on what? The human side of things.
Exactly. Building relationships, strategizing, actually closing deals. That's what AI should free them up to do.
Makes sense. But one thing that jumped out at me was that stat about B2B sellers using AI being 3.7 times more likely to reach their quotas. I mean, is that even possible?
Yeah, it sounds almost too good to be true, right? We need to be a little cautious with those kinds of numbers. Correlation doesn't always equal causation.
So maybe those companies were already doing well, and AI just gave them an extra boost.
Ah,
It's not like AI is the only factor, right?
exactly. Company culture, sales training, the overall market, all these things play a role. But I do think it shows AI's potential.
Yeah, and speaking of potential, there was this mention of the HP Amplify AI Partner Program. Does that sound like something our trekkers should check out?
It could be. They seem to be focusing on something crucial that often gets overlooked: change management.
Ah, so it's not just about the tech itself. It's about how you actually bring it into your team, train people, make sure everyone's comfortable with it.
Precisely. And it sounds like HP's program is designed to help with all of that to make the transition smoother.
Sounds like a good resource, especially since the post talks about this next breakthrough in data-driven decision-making. What does that even mean? Any thoughts?
Let me try to paint a picture. Imagine a sales team drowning in spreadsheets, spending hours trying to make sense of all that data. Now imagine AI steps in. It crunches the numbers in real time, spots the trends, basically becomes a super-powered analyst.
And the sales team gets, like, instant insights. No more guesswork.
Pretty much, they can see what's working, what's not, predict customer behavior, personalize their pitches.
So it's not just about automation. It's about giving sales teams a whole new level of understanding and control.
Absolutely. AI can help them make smarter decisions, faster decisions, and ultimately close more deals.
So trekkers, what have we learned today? AI in sales isn't just a gimmick. It's a game changer. But it's not a magic bullet.
You got it. As Kobi Elbaz said in the post, and this is a good one to remember, the question isn't whether to adopt AI, but how to implement the right tools for a future-ready sales strategy.
Words to live by. Take a good look at your sales process. Figure out where AI can really make a difference. That's how you stay ahead of the curve.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Thanks for joining us, trekkers, and we'll see you on our next adventure across the AI universe.
Until next time.